Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. We are going to do the Salewa Klettersteig and it's a nice Via Ferrata to do in Oberstdorf or Oberjoch area. You can take the Iseler and go to the starting point from where you can do the Klettersteig, or you can hike until the starting point as well. And if you take the Bahn, you need to pay around 12 to 13 euros. We are gonna take some drone shots here for the Via Ferrata, though I won't be visible in the drone shot. We are at Edelrid Klettersteig, which is also called as Salewa. So this is the Via Ferrata we are gonna do today. It's a Via Ferrata of level A to B mostly, and some parts with level C. Lot of crowd because there are DAV group training that's happening and lots of people. There you see is the most critical part. There you need to pull yourself up. It needs a lot of arm power to pull yourself because you don't have any foot grips. Here is my friend Julian, who is taking great videos and photos of me. This is one section of Via Ferrata on the Edelrid which has been closed, this one, because of a rock fall. So we need to take another path, which is this one, to go to the peak. This is the part 2 of Via Ferrata. This you have to go a little bit down and then you can see there, that's a path. This is the section 2 of the Via Ferrata. You can see it is steep down. All you have to do is come downward. It's 2:45 now and we have finally finished our Via Ferrata sections. This has been an amazing Via Ferrata. Check out this view from the top. That is where we started.